Ah.
Don't worry, you're softer. What's he doing?
Yours isn't lit.
Soft dogs.
You're doing that last one.
Shit lighter.
Mine's running out of gas as well.
Oh, yeah. That's not very cold. Is that it?
I think it was, Tracy.